Hey, what's up, Chainlink coin holders? What's going on this time, my friends? The Chainlink coin price is pumps up, and I think it's not a short pump. Absolutely, it's really huge pump, my friend. And every coin after a dump, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, I think it's really great news for all Chainlink holder, my friend. To price is increased now. Chainlink coin, my friend, is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. Everybody knows this, as you can see here from last 3 days chart. So in last 3 days, they will completely get a profit 14.78%, and I think it's unbelievable pumps occur. You can see here, because after a dump every coin will falls down, after every coin will move upward, but not like Chainlink is make a new records, my friend. In the crypto, you can see here 14.78%, my friend. You know, this time Shiba Inu will also not get a profit like that, but this time Chainlink will completely you can see here make a records 29.82 USD dollar, this time the highest, and the current price is also same. Not a big difference, my friend, in these both prices. That is very great news for all Chainlink coin holders, my friend. To price is increasing, and my opinion is for all of you to please hold on and wait for the end of month. If you're starting selling today, so remember, you will never get a profit like my friend Shiba Inu coin, ho, my friend, and like Dogecoin. Absolutely, you will need to hold on for a long time to get a very good profit. So see you next time, Chainlink coin holders. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.